Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the front wipers of the VW Polo. This practically applies to any car out there because these arms are usually the common U-type frame. So replacing it is simple. You don't have to go to a garage and let them do it. You can do it at your home. But while doing it, please be careful because once you remove the wiper, your windshield is exposed to that arm directly, so it's best to lay some cloth or a Turkish towel on the windshield before you attempt it, just for safety's sake. Put the wipers in the service mode. Now, you'll notice that there's a clip here. Just pop the clip out. That's all. It's a little rusted there. Pop the clip out. Slide the wiper and the wipers are off. So, as far as wipers go, I've been using this PowerX brand here, and it actually is not an aerodynamic wiper because there's a frame inside, but it has a cover for this frame which looks sleek. And this is sold in a lot of Toyota and Lexus models. And as far as the brands go, I just go for any brand out there which is like cheap. And it is best to replace wipers every year because the blades tend to get brittle and it will start rubbing on the windshield. So it's always a good idea to replace your wipers every year. Just clean this arm here for all that rust. Don't apply any WD-40 or anything. I mean, it's not going to help. It's going to be exposed to water, so just clean the rusted portion there. So the sizes are 24-inch for the driver side and 16-inch for the co-driver side. Pop the clip out. Insert it into the wiper. Close it. Let it rest. Pop the clip out, insert it into the wiper, pull the wiper and close the tab. That's all. Remove the towel and put the wiper from the service mode. That's all. That's an easy task. Hope this was useful. Thank you.